Welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Sean Michael, and today we're focusing on a topic that everyone faces, but few enjoy talking about: failure. Failure can be tough, especially when it feels personal or public. But what if we could see failure not as a dead end, but as a powerful teacher, guiding us toward growth and success? What if instead of a roadblock, failure became a stepping stone?
Through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, I want no fake love.
To give you some perspective, I'll share a personal story. A few years ago, I took on a project that I was incredibly excited about. I had these big ideas, a solid plan, or so I thought. I put in all this energy, enthusiasm, and time, but as the project unfolded, things started to go wrong. I missed a few crucial steps, underestimated some challenges, and eventually, the whole thing collapsed. I was crushed. I remember thinking, I failed. All that work, all those hours, for nothing. It felt like a major setback. But after a bit of time and a lot of reflection, I started to realize that maybe it wasn't a total loss. In fact, that experience taught me some crucial lessons that I might never have learned otherwise. I realized where I went wrong, and I also learned how I could approach similar projects differently in the future. That failure gave me practical insights, but more than that, it taught me resilience. I had to dig deep, confront my mistakes, and decide to keep going. And looking back, those lessons shaped how I handle challenges even today. Reframing failure isn't about pretending that everything went according to plan. It's about acknowledging the disappointment while also recognizing the learning potential hidden in each setback. When we see failure as feedback, it becomes far less daunting. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this experience? What can I do better next time? Often, the lessons we take from failures are the very skills and insights that help us achieve our next success. So each failure, instead of being a dead end, becomes a building block for something greater. Here's your challenge for today. Think back to a recent failure or setback you've experienced, and try to identify at least one lesson you gained from it. Was there a skill, an insight, or even just a reminder to approach things differently? Take a few minutes to reflect on that. Thanks for tuning in to Daily Power Boost. Tomorrow, we're exploring mindfulness and how staying grounded can help you lead effectively under pressure. Until then, remember, every failure carries a lesson in disguise, waiting to help you grow.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, I don't want no fake